Monday, we gather together to celebrate Labor Day, a day dedicated to the tireless efforts of the American workers, the brave souls who get up at the crack of dawn, fuel up on coffee, and keep our world turning. There's another group in particular that I'm especially grateful for, and that's our beloved Realtors, who are committed to helping convert our labor into the American dream of homeownership. Could you imagine a world without Realtors? Open houses that are, open. No refreshments, no yard signs, no one to show you around the house, and worst of all, no sign-in sheets. No sign-in sheets. How would we survive? It'd be the wild, wild west of real estate. So on this Labor Day, let's raise a toast to all the workers out there who keep our lives running smoothly. And here's to Realtors, the heroes that we needed. So as we celebrate Labor Day, let's remember the Realtors who perform a multitude of tasks under a variety of circumstances, showing a house when everyone inside the house is still sleeping. Oops. Or showing a house who has a talking parrot who suddenly squawks, "Show me the money, show me the money." Or arriving at a showing only to find the homeowners are still there and they ask, "Who are you?" And Realtors have an incredible amount of patience to go through all of this and more, showing dozens of houses only for the clients to pick the very first house you showed them. Realtors are dream makers, helping us to find the perfect place to call home, where we create memories, raise our families, and then navigate the wild world of real estate with a smile and no small sense of humor. If you have any questions about real estate, message me, contact me, call me.